Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add footnote in Google Docs. Open your Docs file and simply select your text you want to add footnote. I will add here footnote. Now select insert and click footnote option and see this footnote on already showing here, and now type here footnote. Now I will decrease this footnote size and see this footnote already added. Now you can add more footnote. Type here. Also, I will add footnote here. Insert footnote and see this footnote 2 already showing here. Now type here at footnote. Yeah, this is in this way you can add as well as footnote you want. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comments.